Have you had enough of fad diets that leave you starving and miserable? Are you ready to embrace a way of eating that is not only good for you but tastes bloody brilliant? Then listen up, because in this video, we're diving headfirst into the world of keto cooking. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. We'll be covering it all, from breakfast to dinner and everything in between, including those pesky snack attacks that can derail even the most dedicated chef. Whether you're a complete novice or you've dabbled in keto before, this video is your one-stop shop for easy, delicious, and satisfying recipes that will make you wonder why you haven't switched to the keto side sooner. But it's not just about the food, you donkey. We'll be sharing insider tips and tricks to make your keto journey a breeze. We'll cover meal prep like a boss so you're always prepared, and we'll guide you through common mistakes to avoid. And to top it off, we'll be dishing up some inspiring success stories to show you that this keto thing is not just another load of bollocks. Alright, you lot, let's get cracking with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Breakfast is not just a meal, it's a ritual, a way to set the tone for the rest of your day. And what better way to do that than with a keto breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious? Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, isn't breakfast off limits on keto? Isn't it all about skipping meals and fasting? Well, let me tell you, that's a load of rubbish. Breakfast on keto can be just as exciting and flavorful as any other meal, if not more. Rubbish. We're tossing out that old carb-laden way of thinking and embracing a whole new world of flavor. Imagine starting your day with meals that are not only low in carbs but also packed with healthy fats and proteins. It's a game changer, folks. First up, we've got our keto scramble. This isn't your ordinary scramble. It's a culinary masterpiece that will make you forget all about those boring, rubbery scrambled eggs you've had before. Forget those dry, rubbery scrambled eggs you've had before. This keto scramble is fluffy, cheesy, and absolutely divine. It's the kind of breakfast that makes you look forward to waking up in the morning. We're talking fluffy, cheesy perfection loaded with healthy fats to keep you powered up until lunchtime. The secret? It's all in the ingredients and the technique. Use high-quality eggs, a generous amount of cheese, and don't forget the butter or ghee for that extra richness. Throw in some spinach and a dollop of sour cream, and you've got yourself a breakfast fit for a king. The spinach adds a nice touch of greens, while the sour cream gives it a creamy, tangy finish. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. Next on the menu is our keto smoothie. Smoothies are often seen as a no-go on keto because of the high sugar content in fruits. But we've got a recipe that's not only keto-friendly, but also incredibly delicious. Yes, you heard me right, a smoothie. And not just any smoothie, but a keto smoothie that's packed with nutrients and flavor. We're talking about a blend that's creamy, refreshing, and perfect for those busy mornings. We're blending together creamy avocado, unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder for a breakfast that's as quick as it is delicious. No time? No problem. This smoothie takes just minutes to prepare. Just whiz it up and take it to go. It's the perfect solution for those hectic mornings when you're rushing out the door. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and proteins to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. And for those mornings when you need something a little more substantial, let me introduce you to our keto breakfast muffins. These muffins are a game changer, folks. They're not only delicious but also incredibly convenient. These little beauties are packed with protein and healthy fats, and they're perfect for grabbing on the go. Imagine having a batch of these ready in your fridge just waiting to be devoured. It's like having a mini breakfast feast at your fingertips. Whip up a batch on Sunday and you'll be sorted for the entire week. These muffins are versatile too. You can add your favorite keto-friendly ingredients like cheese, bacon, or even some veggies. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about the ingredients. The key to a successful keto breakfast is using high-quality keto-friendly ingredients. Almond flour, coconut oil, and eggs are staples in the keto kitchen. They not only add flavor, but also provide the necessary fats and proteins to keep you satiated. When making our keto muffins, start by mixing almond flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, whisk together eggs, melted coconut oil, and a splash of unsweetened almond milk. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, and then fold in your favorite add-ins like cheese, bacon, or spinach. Spoon the batter into a muffin tin and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20-25 minutes, or until they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool for a few minutes before enjoying. The result? A perfectly baked keto muffin that's moist, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. It's the kind of breakfast that makes you feel good about what you're eating. Pair it with a cup of your favorite keto-friendly coffee, and you've got a breakfast that's not only delicious but also keeps you full and focused throughout the morning. So there you have it, folks. 3 fantastic keto breakfast options that are easy to make, delicious, and perfect for starting your day the right way. Whether you prefer a hearty scramble, a refreshing smoothie, or a convenient muffin, there's something for everyone. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and with these keto options you can enjoy it without any guilt. So go ahead, kickstart your day the keto way and embrace a healthier, more flavorful lifestyle. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your keto breakfast. Right, you lot, lunchtime is calling and we're not settling for sad desk salads and soggy sandwiches. We're packing in the flavor and keeping those cravings at bay with these keto lunchbox legends. First up, we've got our keto chicken salad wraps. Forget those carb-laden tortillas, we're using crisp lettuce leaves to wrap up tender chicken, creamy avocado, crunchy bacon bits and a dollop of tangy mayo. It's a flavor explosion that will have your colleagues green with envy. Next on the menu is our keto mason jar salad. Yes, you heard me right. A salad in a jar. We're layering up fresh greens, colorful veggies, protein-packed chicken or hard-boiled eggs, and a drizzle of our favorite keto-friendly dressing. It's the perfect way to enjoy a refreshing and satisfying lunch on the go. And for those days when you're craving something warm and comforting, let me introduce you to our keto soup in a thermos. We're talking creamy tomato soup, hearty broccoli cheddar soup, or even a spicy chorizo and kale soup. Prepare a big batch on the weekend and you'll have a delicious and satisfying lunch ready to go all week long. Listen up, you lot, because it's time to ditch the takeaway menus and embrace the joy of cooking delicious keto-friendly dinners that won't have you chained to the stove all night. First up, we've got our keto sheet pan dinners. We're talking juicy chicken thighs roasted with colorful peppers and onions, tender salmon fillets baked with asparagus and cherry tomatoes, or even a flavorful sausage and cabbage bake. Just toss everything on a sheet pan, pop it in the oven, and dinner is served. Next on the menu is our keto one-pot wonders. We're talking hearty stews, flavorful curries, and comforting casseroles that are packed with flavor and nutrients. Just brown your meat, throw in your veggies, and let it simmer away until you're ready to eat. It's that easy. And for those nights when you're craving something a little bit special, let me introduce you to our keto pizza night. Forget those carb-laden crusts. We're using cauliflower crust, zucchini noodles, or even portobello mushrooms as our base. Then, we're piling on the toppings, from gooey cheese and savory meats, to fresh veggies and herbs. It's a pizza party that's both delicious and guilt-free. Alright, you lot, let's talk snacks. We all know those pesky cravings can strike at any time, but fear not, because we've got an arsenal of keto-friendly snacks that will satisfy your taste buds without derailing your progress. First up, we've got our keto fat bombs. These little bites of energy are packed with healthy fats and flavor, and they're the perfect way to curb those sweet cravings. We're talking creamy peanut butter cups, decadent chocolate avocado truffles, and even refreshing coconut lime bites. Next on the menu is our keto chips and dips. Forget those greasy potato chips, we're making our own crispy chips out of zucchini, kale, or even cheese. And for dipping, we've got creamy guacamole, tangy salsa, and even a cheesy spinach and artichoke dip. And for those times when you need a quick and easy snack on the go, let me introduce you to our keto trail mix. We're ditching the sugary dried fruit and pretzels and loading up on nuts, seeds, unsweetened coconut flakes, and even a few sugar-free chocolate chips for a treat that's both satisfying and nutritious. Listen up, you lot, because in this chapter, we're going beyond the recipes and equipping you with the knowledge and tools you need to become a true keto commando. First things first, let's talk meal prep. The key to success on keto, or any diet for that matter, is preparation. We'll show you how to plan your meals, batch cook like a boss, and pack your meals like a pro, so you're always prepared, no matter where life takes you. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Common keto mistakes. From hidden carbs to overdoing it on the protein, we'll guide you through the pitfalls to avoid so you can stay on track and achieve your goals. And because we all need a little inspiration sometimes, we'll be sharing some incredible success stories from people just like you who have transformed their lives with the keto lifestyle. Trust me, if they can do it, you can too. Well, there you have it, you lot. We've covered everything from breakfast to dinner, snacks, tips, and tricks to set you up for success on your keto journey. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about embracing a delicious and sustainable way of eating that makes you feel bloody fantastic. Now, I want to see you put this knowledge to good use. Get in the kitchen, experiment with these recipes, and don't be afraid to get creative. And most importantly, share your culinary masterpieces with the world. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below telling me about your favorite keto creations. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we're tackling a topic that's close to my heart: healthy fast food choices for weight loss. That's right, you don't have to give up your favorite treats to live a healthy lifestyle. Until then, happy cooking.